Hi everybody, how are you? This is your teacher Nelida, and in this opportunity we are going to talk about purpose. Why something exists? What is the purpose of this? For example, or the purpose of this, or the purpose of this. And why do you what you do? Why I do what I do? What is the purpose of the things, of the actions we perform? So we are going to learn today how to express purpose. For that, we are going to use certain expressions. For example, for. Also, we can express purpose with to, in order to, so as to. And also we can express purpose using so that. Let's start with the first one, that is for. Well, I have here an example. Maybe you don't know what is this and who is going to use this, we don't know. So I can say this is for a student. This is for a student. Here I am expressing who is this object addressed to, for a student. Here I have for, and here I have a student, that is noun. Noun. Well, so it means that we use for with a noun. This is for a student, this is for me, this is for you, this is for Jackie, this is for the teacher, etc. Also, we can use for with verbs. For example, this is for highlighting important parts of a text. This is for highlighting important parts of a text. Now you can check it. Here I am using the verb highlight, but the verb is in the ing form. Highlighting. This is for highlighting. This is for cutting. This is for writing, etc. Okay, so we are going to use for plus a noun or plus a verb in the ing form to express the function of something. Well, now let's continue with the next group. Here we have to, in order to, and so as to. The difference among to and the other two ones is the formality. This is less formal, and the last two ones are more formal. I have here some examples. This is not real, just in case, it's just an example. I teach to earn money. There is one purpose. I teach to earn money. What is the purpose of teaching? That's the purpose of teaching. Why do you teach? I teach to earn money. But here you can see the verb earn is in the base form, different from for. This is the verb that is in the base form. It's not in the ing form. It's in the base form. Also, you can use in order to. For example, I study English in order to be ready for a scholarship. Here we have the verb to be in the base form as well. I study English in order to be ready for a scholarship. Why do you study? This is my purpose, in order to be ready for a scholarship. So you may substitute in order to with just to, or with so as to, if you want. There is no problem. So it means you can say I study English so as to be ready for a scholarship, or I study English to be ready for a scholarship. It's your choice. But these three expressions can be expressed in the negative form as well, as we can see here in this example. I teach not to earn money. Yes, this is the real purpose. I teach not to earn money. Here we have negative, but be careful, the negative is not in the verb. The negative is in the purpose. I teach, this is my subject. I teach, this is the verb. And the purpose is not to earn money. So I'm going to negate the purpose, adding a not. Not to earn money. So also you can say the same with in order to, we can negate. I study English in order not to be lazy. Here we have not, that is negating the purpose. I study English in order not to be lazy. The same happen with so as to. You can say, for example, I study English so as not to be lazy. So as not to be lazy. So you can use these three expressions in order in affirmative and negative form. Let me write on my board. I have two on one side. Also I have in order to. And finally I have so as to. Or the negative form, we can say in order not to. Not to, or so as not to. These two are most commonly used in the negative rather than the first one. And we need to use, with them, we need to use a verb, but not any verb in the base form. Here we have a noun plus ing, and here we have a verb plus the base form with these three expressions. Finally, we have so that. So that. That is between parentheses because it is optional. You may use that or not. Here I have some examples. I did my homework so that the teacher could check it out. I did my homework so that the teacher could check it out. Or we may eliminate, erase that, and we can say I did my homework so the teacher could check it out. It's not compulsory to use that. It's an option. Here I have another example. I made a video so that my students may learn about how to express purpose. So this is the purpose. My students may learn about how to learn purpose. What you need to remember about so that is that we usually have to use a modal verb. And also, the grammar structure is different. For example, here we have so that with color green. If you can see, my student, this is a subject. May learn, this is a verb. About how to express purpose, this is a complement. So it means when we use so or so that, we need a full clause, subject, verb, and complement. The same happened with the previous example. I did my homework so that the teacher is going to be the subject, could check it out is the verb. So we need to use so that with a clause, with a complete clause. Let's write this on our board. So, and between parentheses that, I'm going to write with another color, plus a subject, plus a verb, plus a complement. This is the use of so and so that. Well, summarizing, we have for with a noun plus an ing in order to, and so as to with a verb in the base form, and so that with a clause, subject plus verb plus a complement. Those are the ways to express purpose. Well, thank you for your attention. That's all for today. See you in other opportunities.